Your cat may be dehydrated. How to spot and treat feline hydration problems. You care about your cat and want the best for it, so you make sure it is healthy, happy, and well cared for. Hydration is an important part of a cat's health that is often forgotten. Cats, like people, need the right amount of water to keep their bodies working. A lot of cats, though, don't drink enough water, which can make them thirsty. Every cat owner needs to know the signs that their cat is dehydrated, what causes it, and how to keep it from happening. Why it's important for cats to drink water. Water is important for all living things, including cats. It is an important part of many bodily processes, such as body temperature control. Water helps keep the body's temperature stable, which is especially important for cats that tend to get too hot quickly. Digesting food. Staying hydrated helps your body break down food and absorb nutrients. Getting rid of waste. Water is needed for kidneys to work, and pee is how the body gets rid of waste. Lubricating joints. It keeps joints greased, which makes them easier to move. Taking care of your skin. Skin that is well hydrated is more flexible and less likely to get infections. Because water does so many important things, it's clear that not giving your cat enough water can cause serious health problems. How to tell if your cat is dehydrated. It can be hard to tell when something is wrong with a cat because they are very good at hiding sickness. If you think your cat might be thirsty, though, there are a few things you can look out for. If you feel your cat's skin getting less flexible, one of the best ways to tell if it's dehydrated is to gently pinch the skin behind its neck or between its shoulders. The skin should snap back quickly on a cat that is well hydrated. Your cat may be thirsty if it comes back slowly or stays inside the tent. If your cat's gums and mouth are dry, they should be pink and wet. They might be dry, sticky, or pale if they are these things. Sunken eyes. If a cat isn't getting enough water, its eyes may look sunken. Lethargy. Cats that aren't getting enough water may look and act very tired or sluggish. Loss of appetite. If you're dehydrated, you might not want to eat. Panting. Cats don't pant as much as dogs do when they're thirsty, especially when it's hot outside. If you notice any of these symptoms, you need to take care of them right away to avoid more health problems. Reasons cats often become dehydrated. Figuring out what can make cats dehydrated can help keep them from getting it. These are some common reasons. 1. Not enough water. Cats may not drink enough water, especially if they only eat dry food. Food that is wet has a lot of water in it, but food that is dry doesn't have enough water. 2. Hot weather. Cats can quickly lose water when it's hot outside, especially if they can't get fresh water. 3. Illness. Kidney disease, diabetes, and hyperthyroidism are some illnesses that can make you lose more water and become dehydrated. 4. Both vomiting and diarrhea can quickly make a cat lose a lot of water. 5. The cat is more active. Cats that play or move a lot can lose more water when they do these things. Changes in a cat's environment, routine, or the appearance of new pets can cause stress, which can make them drink less water. How much water does your cat need? A cat should drink about 3.5 to 4.5 ounces of water every day for every 5 pounds it weighs. This can change, though, depending on what you eat, how active you are, and your health. A cat that eats wet food, for example, will get more water from their food than a cat that eats dry food. So they may need to drink less water. How to make sure your cat drinks water. Making sure your cat stays hydrated is easy if you follow these simple steps. Offer fresh water. Always have fresh water on hand. At least once a day, change the water to keep it clean and fresh. Multiple water stations. Get cats to drink. Put water bowls in different places around the house. Wet food. This will help your cat drink more water, so add wet food to their diet. Cat fountains. A lot of cats like water that is moving. You can get your cat to drink more by buying a cat pond. Eat the water. To make the water taste better, add some tuna juice or chicken soup, without the garlic or onions. Ice cubes. Some cats like to lick and play with ice cubes, which can help them drink more water. Regular checkups at the vet. Taking your pet to the vet on a regular basis can help find any health problems that could be making it dehydrated. How to treat cats that are dehydrated. You should move quickly if you think your cat is dehydrated. Get your cat to drink. Give your cat fresh water and use some of the above tips to make it more appealing. Oral rehydration solutions. If the dehydration is mild, an oral rehydration solution like plain Pedialyte can be given. Before giving, you should always talk to your vet. Go to the vet. If your cat is moderately to severely dehydrated, you should take it to the vet right away. Fluids can be given by the vet either subcutaneously, under the skin, or intravenously, straight into a vein. How to keep cats from getting dehydrated. There is no such thing as a bad fix. Here are some things you can do to make sure your cat stays hydrated. Keep an eye on water intake. Watch how much water your cat drinks every day. You should write down and talk to your vet about any big changes. Dietary considerations. To make sure your cat gets enough water in their food, you might want to feed them a mix of wet and dry food. Changes to the environment. When it's hot outside, make sure your house is cool and your cat has lots of water. Regular health checks. Taking your pet to the vet on a regular basis can help find health problems early, before they get worse and make you lose water. Observations of behavior. Pay attention to any changes in your cat's energy, hunger, or behavior. These things may be early signs of health problems. What food and drink have to do with staying hydrated? What your cat eats has a big effect on how well they stay hydrated. Because cats are obligate eaters, the majority of their food in the wild would be prey that is high in water. Dry kibble meals, which don't have as much water as wet food, can make dogs chronically low-level dehydrated. Here's how to make sure that your cat's food meets their water needs. Wet food diet. Give your cat wet food or food that comes in a can. Wet food can be up to 80% water, which is a big part of how much water your cat needs every day. Hydrogen supplements. Some store-bought items, like broths and hydration drinks, are made to help cats stay more hydrated. You can give these to your cat as a treat or add them to its food. Balanced diet. Make sure your cat's food is nutritionally balanced. This will help its health as a whole and lower the risk of conditions that can make it dehydrated. Things to keep in mind about older cats. Older cats are more likely to become dehydrated because of the following. Decreased thirst. Older cats may not feel as thirsty, so they drink less water. Chronic conditions. Cats that are older are more likely to have kidney disease and diabetes, which can make them more likely to become dehydrated. Problems with movement. Older cats may find it hard to get to their water bowl if they have arthritis or other problems with their movement. For older cats, it's especially important to keep a close eye on how much water they drink and see your vet regularly to take care of any underlying health problems. Cats that are dehydrated have major health problems that can get worse if they are not treated right away. You can make sure your cat stays healthy and hydrated by learning the signs, reasons, and ways to avoid them. Make sure your cat has fresh water. Think about giving it wet food, and keep an eye on its health and behavior. Taking your pet to the doctor on a regular basis is important to catch any problems early. After following these steps, you can help your cat stay healthy and properly hydrated. Thanks for watching. We're glad you joined us to learn more about cats and deepen your bond with them. If you enjoyed the video and want to share it with your fellow cat lovers, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to turn on notifications so you won't miss our new videos. Until next time, stay with cats. Goodbye.